Hi, this is Zizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to edit send messages on WhatsApp. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Many of us use WhatsApp and send hundreds of messages daily. Typos and grammar mistakes are common in conversation, especially when on the go or typing with or without autocorrections. Before your typo leads to confusion and mistakes, you can edit the message after it been sent. So how to do it? Before we start, let's see some rules, otherwise the message editing feature may not work as expected. The edit feature on WhatsApp doesn't appear on outdated WhatsApp app, so you can install the new version. You can update the new version of WhatsApp app on your App Store or your Play Store. And the recipient must use the later version on their phone. The message can only be edited within 15 minutes of sending the message. The edit option disappears after that. So first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. Now you can choose contact that you want to send the message. As example, I will send like this. You can see I write this typo. You can edit the message that you've sent by tap and hold on the message like this. Tap and hold. You can tap on the up right corner, the three dots over here. And there is an option like info, copy, edit, and pin. You can tap on edit. Now you can edit the typo. So here you go, here's the message. You can see after you edit your message you've sent, there's a note that message is edited, and your friends will get notified if you edit the message. And you can only edit your message within 15 minutes. More than that, the option to edit the message is disappear. As you can see, there is no more edit option on this message. You can see the difference. So that is how to edit send messages on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.